Okay, just a quick video on using PETSCII graphics and using them in a basic program. Okay, I'm sure you're familiar with the Commodore 64, the little graphic characters underneath the keys. You just matter of hitting the Shift or the Commodore key and the key to get these basic graphics. One way to be able to render them on the screen in a program is if you wanted just to poke them directly to the screen. You can look at the manual to find out what all the characters mean or what their values are, or you can just peek 1024. So that's telling us that the little circle is 81. So if we poke 1025, which is the next character along with 81, we get another little circle in the top left hand corner of the screen here. Or you might want to render these graphic characters within a basic program using string variables. Easy way, you can just use a print command, or you may want to put them into a string variable. But let's first create something a little bit more interesting. So let's create a little Space Invader. So what I've done, I've hit Control 9, which gives us a reverse on. So the circle is now reversed. I've now moved down below the character using the cursor keys. I'm now going to go Commodore B, which gives us one leg, and now I'm going to turn reverse off, Control 0, and Commodore B again, and there's a little Space Invader. Just 4 characters, and just basically using 4 characters in terms of the space it occupies on the screen, but really it's actually only 2 characters and the use of the reverse on and reverse off function. So how would you put that in a string variable? Okay, now reverse on, Control 9, shift our eyes, Shift Q, and now we're going to turn go to the cursor keys and move down 1 and to the left twice. That positions the print statement so the next character is going to appear beneath the eyes. So let's now use the Commodore B, and now we're going to turn the reverse, Control 0, reverse off, and then Commodore B again for the other leg, and close quotes. Now to print that string variable, and we have our little graphic character all captured nicely in a string variable, which you can then print to screen with your program. For instance, if we created a little loop and put spaces in front of him, we could move him across the screen. Simple as that. And that's the approach I use in the PETSCII Raiders program, which is on my channel. So I hope you enjoy this. Please like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thank you.